sige.
Okay.
Yan na, go na yan.
Ikaw na. Pero ikaw huli.
Hi, Ate Len! Happy
Hello!
60th birthday! Sayang wala kami dyan to celebrate it with you. Pero hopefully, pag ako nag-60, dapat nandito ka, ha? Alam mo, through the years, teka muna, di pa ako tapos. Alam mo, through the years, alam mo naman na lagi kang nandyan. In lahat ng problema ko, alam mo. And you've always been here for me. Kaya, maraming salamat, Ate Len. At alam ko, nag-e-enjoy ka ngayon. At ang buo pamilya mo ngayon, andyan si Kuya Sunny. Diba? Meron naman kayong second honeymoon. Happy birthday! I love you, sister!
Hi, Auntie Len. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. Hope you're having a great time. Sayang wala kami dyan, pero sana sa susunod na birthday, we can celebrate it with you too. So, we love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Maden. Thank you sa suporta. Happy birthday. Kahit wala kami dyan, darating naman kami. Meron pa naman hanggang 80th birthday. Sigurado darating kami ron. Sige, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Len. God bless, good health, and thank you sa lahat ng tulong. You're the
Yeah.
You say, I love you, Ate
Si
Len.
Grandma
Lola.
Lola Len.
Happy birthday. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Lola. You say,
Happy, Alisa. Happy.
Say
Alisa.
happy. Say happy.
Happy.
Happy birthday.
Go.
Happy
Dance, dance,
birthday.
everybody dance.
Happy birthday, birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. birthday to you.
Dance.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. From Las Vegas.
We love you from Las Vegas.
Okay, that's it.
Love you.